Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will compute the given pounds value into kilograms equivalent using TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I am here in Visual Studio Code. So we have here a machine problem. Write a program to solve the given pounds value 5.73 into kilograms equivalent and display the results on the screen. Okay, so we have here several comments here. And then we have here a declaration of variable pounds equals 5.73, and then we have here comment conversion factor. So 1 pound is equivalent to 0.453592. To calculate the kilograms, we have here constant kilograms equals pounds multiplied by conversion factor, that is 0.453592. To round it off, we have here round underscore result equals math kilograms multiply 100 divided by 100. So we will produce a decimal places. Console log pounds to kilograms in TypeScript. This is the title. Pounds equals to round underscore result kilograms. End of program. Let us go to the terminal window so that we can compile and run our program. So when we compile our program from TypeScript to JavaScript, we issue this command tsc TypeScript compiler space pounds underscore kilograms .ts. Okay, so when we run, we type node pounds underscore kilograms .js. So we have here the result, pounds to kilograms in TypeScript. 5.73 pounds is equal to 2.6 kilograms. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on pounds to kilograms in TypeScript programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.